This is Code.org. Let's see what we're up to. Get the zombies to the sunflower using the fewest blocks possible. Zombie, sunflower. I have one block out. I can use up to 8. As I like to do, I'm throwing junk down. There's a hint here. It thinks maybe I need to use 3 of these repeats, but let's first see how I get there. I think that's 3 moves. Not sure. I could be wrong. Now I'm going to turn left, I think. And then forward, maybe? Let's give this a try. I'll step through. Nah, I'm going to be lazy. I'll run. Choop, choop, boop. Okay, that gets me to there. Let me go ahead and move forward again. And I think I'm going to turn left again. And I'm way over on blocks. But we're just testing, so that's fine. Turn left. Move forward. No idea. Let's try. Oh, I just hit a wall. Don't do that, dude. Don't do that. Wait. Left, right. Yay, no wall. Left, okay. Interesting. Well, I see some issues here, but let's go ahead and think. What would I have to do to finish this guy off? Something like this. Okay, well, I am repeating a lot of move forwards here. Oh, look. Move forward, forward, left. Move forward, move forward, right. Huh. I bet, though, if I threw a right at the end, it wouldn't really matter because I can eat this and then turn right. So, instead of repeating all of this code, goodbye, repeat twice, zoop, this. I'm still over, though, 10 blocks. Well, wait a minute. And this would work. Hit the bottom, go back and do it again. But I'm over. Why? Well, look at this. Move forward, move forward, move forward. It wants us to use 2 more of these. Where could we? Zoop, zoop, whoop. Sound effects included. Now, the reason I'm going to have to do this separate times is in between these. Uh-oh, I lost my turn right. Killed it. Turn right. In between these, I'm going to have to turn. Wait, was turn left first? Turn left is first. Ooh, my zombie is in danger. Alright, and how many times? Well, I was originally going forward 3, and yeah. Let me test though. Step. Okay, so what this tells the computer is, hey, you computer, do all this stuff in this huge pink mouth 2 times. Now, the first thing I do is I go 3 times forward. So it hits this and says, I gotta do this 3 times. I move forward once, hit the bottom, go back to the top, move forward again, hit the bottom, go back to the top, and finally, I move forward for the 3rd time. It's now done with this little pink mouth thing. So that's over. I've moved forward 3, and I can run this line below, which lets me turn left. Now, I only want to turn left once here, which is why I didn't put in the repeat. Now that I've turned left, it's going to hit this 3 and say, okay, now you got to do this 3 times. Move forward once, hit the bottom, back to here, move forward twice, hit the bottom, back to here, move forward again. Finally, that's 3 times, so it's done. It hits the bottom, drops through, and I can turn right. Now it's the bottom of this huge pink one. It says, oh yeah, I got to do this twice. This was my first time, zoop, and goes back up here. Oh, I got to do this 3 times, and it repeats it all for us. Victory! Onward.